How to find square root of 3364 by long division method. Let's make pair first from right hand side to left hand side. This is first pair, this is second pair. For second pair, take here number whose squared will be equal to 33 or nearest to 33. If you take here look 6 squared equal to 36, which is greater than this 33, so 6 is not correct. Take here 5 squared equal to 25. Same, you have placed here 5, so same digit will come here. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, you are getting 8. Bring down the next pair. Okay, so you have placed here the digit 5 in the quotient, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. 5 plus 5, 10. Here you have to take here a digit, same digit will come here and need to multiply like this. If you place here look 8 and 8 times 108, this result should be equal to this or nearest to this. 8 times 8, 64. Okay, write 4, carry 6 to the next column. 8 times 0, 0 plus 6, that is 6. 8 times 1, 8. 864. That is, if you place here 8, then you are getting 864, which is equal 8 times 108. That gives you 864. Subtract 0. Take 8. Okay, we have placed the digit 8 here, so same digit will come under this divisor and add. 8 plus 8, 16. Write 6, carry 1 to the next column. 0 plus 1, 1. The double of 58, 116. This means that our answer is correct. So the square root of 3364 by long division method is 58.